This 5-minute solution will show you how to access Meta Business Suite from Facebook page. So if you are in your Facebook page profile and now you want to visit Facebook Meta Business Suite from your page, it's really very easy process. Just follow me to do it. First of all, make sure to switch to your Facebook page. And now click on your page profile. Once you are in your page, here click on Meta Business Suite. And you will directly jump into your Meta Business Suite, as you can see. And now from here you can handle your Facebook business page. And if you want to use a different business account, click on this drop down. And now you can select a different business account, or you can create a new business account to handle your Facebook page. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.